Hello guys, welcome back, and in this lecture I'm gonna show you how to create a fire material from fire image. So right now, what first thing we're gonna do, we need to import our assets. So we're gonna go to this assets tab right here, and we're gonna import new asset. And we're gonna import this fire asset right here. You can choose any fire asset or fire image that you want. So don't be bothered by this black background of it. It's not going to be important at all. You just need to have your fire image, and we're going to implement it to fire material, and it's going to look awesome. It's going to look really good. So for start, I'm going to import this one. I'm going to select import, and regarding this fire, we just have image right now, but the next thing we need to do to make a fire material is we need to right click here, and we're going to go create, and we're going to find material. We're going to name this fire material. And right now this is empty, it doesn't really have anything bound to it. So right now we're just gonna click on this fire material and just select this fire. And we're just gonna drag this fire image, this albedo. And right now, clicking this albedo, we have our fire material right here. So how can you add this fire material to your fire particle system is you can manually drag it right here to fire particle system, but I don't do that because when you're creating a harder explosion or maybe something like that, you're gonna have a lot of particle systems here, and you can drag it somewhere where it doesn't belong. So I don't usually do that. I go to renderer settings right here to renderer, clicking this fire particle system in inspector tab, and right here in this material, I just drag it here in this material particle. So right now we have something that we wanted. So we have all of our fire materials bound to this, but it looks a little bit ugly right now. It looks really ugly, honestly. What we need to do next, we need to get rid of this black background. So how we're gonna do that, we're just gonna click to this fire material, and right now we have shader option. You're just gonna click to this shader option and go to particle tab, and in this particle tab you have additive and additive soft. This is how you add your particle image to your material, and it bounds to particle system the best way it's possible. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click this additive, and this is where all happens. This is where everything happens. So right now we have our fire created, but this is a little bit ugly because we didn't select any start color. So we're gonna select start color to be maybe this one, fiery. So right now we're getting our fire ready. So you can also have it like really reddish, but I'm gonna leave it to be this way. This is kind of good. I tend it to be a little bit okay. This is fine. So this is how our fire right now looks. I'm just gonna light it up a little bit. Okay, but if you want your fire to be less stronger than this, you're just gonna select this fire material, and you can change your particle from additive to additive soft, and you can see the fire is now weaker. It's a little bit smaller, and right now you can always edit its size to be different, but I like using standard additive because it gives the best feeling of fire, as you can see right now. And this is a little fire, how it looks like. We can also zoom it in. As you can see, the quality of this fire is really good. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you next lecture.